Good morning everyone. Today is 6:17. Oh my god, I don't have time. Join me to get ready while I'm doing my makeup for work. Okay, for today's makeup look, I'm just gonna use the BB cream, natural skin tone. I love this BB cream. It's really nice BB cream. It's like just your natural skin, so I don't know if I'm gonna make it. It is 6:19 in the morning already, so what do you call that? I leave like around 6:45 in the morning, so I don't know if I'm gonna make it. This is not a good idea, like filming and you know you have work, getting ready for work, but anyways, we'll see. We're gonna make it. Promise, this CC cream is so nice. You can see guys, very nice CC cream. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Oh my god, can you see that guys? Super nice. Look at that CC cream. Kind of give those glowy look into your skin, like very natural skin tone, and this like give those little glowy into my skin. I don't wanna carry it away while doing my makeup because I don't have more time to play around. Okay, for the concealer, I'm using this Yansa BC concealer. This is really nice concealer guys, but it's all like small packaging, but it has those really nice brighten up your eyes. So I put just all over. I think I put too much, so it's okay. 6:23, I don't have time. Again, we're just gonna blend it. This is not a good idea. Well, filming, but anyways, I'm just gonna try to like really simple makeup look for today because again, I don't wanna carry it away because we have work today. I kind of like this background. Last time I used it like 6 months ago. Let me know in the comment down below if you like this kind of like background, because I do like it. I think it's cute background. Okay, I did skip my eyebrows because we don't have time. 6:30 already. I only have 15 minutes, but this is fun. What next? Contour. So contour, this is funny. I love this brush. It's super nice and soft, so I'm just gonna contour my, give those, you can see the difference guys. Oh, I love this CC cream, it's so nice. So I'm just gonna contour my cheeks like that. I love this contour, it's so nice. And sometimes I do this contour, my favorite contour, like a blush. It's like super nice color. Just give those natural tone. Maybe I'm just gonna go with it like a blush. Gonna like put it up all the way up. Here to put it up all the way up. See the difference guys? Okay, I'm just gonna use this as a blush for now. Give this really nice, see? I'm gonna put it a little bit in my forehead. Like that. This is not a good idea. I'll be late for work. Just kidding. We're almost done. I'm not gonna go crazy today, just to like, you know, next time I'm gonna do a tutorial about this CC cream that I use today. Can you see that, guys? It's like really nice coverage into my skin, but we don't have time right now. It is 6:32 already, so no time. So I'm just gonna put here too. Here, oh my god, this is so good. And put a little bit. This brush is so soft. Add it a little bit to my eyebrows. Here too. Get this really nice. Here. It's so nice. Oh, I love playing makeup, especially using one of my favorite makeup. Oh, I love playing with it. I'm gonna add a little bit here. Oh, it's so nice. See, that's super nice and very simple makeup look. And what next? Eyes, 634. By the way, I use the bronzer. This is the brand Ofra. See guys, Ofra bronzer, one of my favorite contour powder. Super nice contour powder. As you can see, it's like already I use it a lot. And the CC cream that I use, this is one of my favorite, Poreless Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. This is what's look like, guys. Super nice CC cream or BB cream. Very nice. I do believe this is from Korea. Yeah, product of Korean product. Super nice. So I kind of like, I want to play with my eyes, but I don't have time. I only have 10 minutes to play. Okay, I'm just gonna put a wing liner. I don't know if I can do it. Probably not. Okay, I'm not gonna do wing liner today. I don't have time. I'm just gonna add mascara on my eyelashes and we're done. Oh my god, this is not. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. And let's do mascara. I'm gonna use this Tribe Cosmetics. This one, guys. Very nice packaging though of mascara. And it's very heavy. It looks like made from metal. Seriously guys, I'm not gonna lie, but it's really heavy packaging of mascara. And super cute packaging too. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking so I don't have time. And okay, alright everyone, that's it for today's video. I'm running out of time. This is funny, a rush hour. I think this is a good to call it like a rush hour makeup look, because I don't have time. It is 6:41 already, so I'll be leaving in 4 minutes. Yeah. I like the CC cream. It gives those very natural, simple skin color. So those are my favorite CC cream. Let me know in the comment down below if you like kind of a tutorial using this again, if we do have more time. But today I don't have time. Yeah, I don't have time today to play more of my makeup. Anyways, hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you on my next video, everyone. Bye. I'm going to work.